So guys, this is a pro level trick. There is no setup. Originally it used quite a bit of sleight of hand. Now I've stripped most of that away so you can pretty much do this awesome pro level trick with virtually no sleight of hand and get the exact same killer reactions. That's why I love this. All right, so just 8 cards this time, guys. You're gonna watch very closely. I'm gonna fool you 4 times. Now, the cards that you need to watch are the 5, 4, 3, and 2 of diamonds. All right, so what I'm gonna do is place these cards onto the table. 5, 4, 3, and the 2. The 2 I'm going to place on the black cards. Now I'm going to place the 2 second from the top. Because it's the 2, it goes second from the top. With just a snap, it jumps all the way through the other cards to the top. That's cool, right? Don't worry if you missed it, I'm going to do it again. So this time with the 3. Now the 3 goes third from the top. So I place the 3 third from the top, like this. I don't do anything, no sleight of hand, check this out. And it jumps all the way back to the top. That's the 3. Now remember here, I'm just using the black cards. That's all I'm using here. And somehow these cards are jumping through these cards. Check it out with a 4 this time. So the 4 is going to go fourth from the top, like this, all the way inside. And I do absolutely nothing, and yet the 4 jumps all the way through. Which again, just leaves us with 4 cards. And the 5th one, I'm not even going to touch it. We're just going to place all of the black cards on top. Just a snap. And the 5 jumps all the way through, just like the others. This is so amazing, it looks so clean, there is no moves, there's no sleight of hand. Let's get into it. So it's very, very easy to get into. From a shuffle deck, all you need to do is to go through and remove these 8 cards. So you're going to remove the black 8s and 9s, and then also the 5, 4, 3, and 2 of diamonds. So you just need these cards to start. And you put them in this order. So I normally have the blacks, 8s and 9s together, you'll see why in a minute. And then you have it in 5, 4, 3, 2. Order, okay, and you put the diamonds on top of the black cards like so. So you're going to show the cards like this, and as you show the cards, you're just going to get a break above these bottom 3 black cards. So as you close the spread, you've now got a break above the bottom 3 black cards. So remember, the break doesn't show from the front, it's only at the back, and then you just lift up. And these turn over. Now because you had the 2 black 9s together, they're not really going to notice. They see a black 9, and then you take these off and they see a black 9. No one's paying attention, they're not going to notice. If you feel that badly about it, you can risk kill this pretty quickly. And you put these off to one side. So now that leaves you with the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 of diamonds, and underneath the 5 secretly, you've got a black card. The audience only think that you have these cards. So now you put these together, turn the whole packet face down, like this, and then you deal them off. The 5, the 4, the 3, and that leaves 2 cards in your hand conveniently together. So you're going to do the easiest double lift in the world by just taking these and showing them as one card, which is really nice. So you show the 2, which is exactly what it should be. It should be 5, 4, 3, 2. So everything looks as it should. Now you take the black cards and you apparently put the 2 on top. Now remember, you've got this 3 hidden underneath the 2 at this point. They don't know it. They just think it's the 2. So you're going to put the 2 on top of the black cards like this. And then you say we're going to put the 2 second from the top. So you take the 2, and without showing it, you place it in the second position like this. Leave it sticking out, very, very cleanly push it in like so. And now with no moves, you just snap and it jumps all the way to the top. It's super clean, you've done nothing. The great thing about that is it's now set you up for the next one, because now the 3 has been left on top. So you can now very cleanly take the card that looks like the 3, place it third from the top, because it's the 3, place it all the way inside, just a snap, and apparently the 3 jumps to the top. Now you've got to switch things up a bit. This is where you'd usually do an Elmsley count. Now, Elmsley count can be quite tricky, especially for beginners, so I've replaced it with Marlowe's Olram count. And quite simply, it looks like this. It looks like you just show the black cards, and what you're actually doing is you're hiding this red card on the bottom. So that red card at this point in this trick is second from the top. This is very, very easy to do. All you're going to do is you're going to take the top card into your right hand, then you're going to rotate both hands to show the cards, 2 black cards, then you're going to turn them back, you're going to turn this card over into this hand, place this down, and show these 2. So it looks like you've apparently shown 4 black cards, and you place these on top. So it's a very, very clean move. Just one more time with the red cards here. So in real time, it looks like this. Looks like you just show the black cards like this, and it all looks very clean. And it just makes that little part of the trick a little bit easier to do. So now you just reverse these cards, which then leaves your 4 on top, which is exactly where it needs to be, because now you're going to say, we're going to take the 4 and place it 4th from the top. You push it all the way inside very cleanly, and now the 4 jumps through. Now you've just got to do one more tiny displacement. You need to just cut this card, which is going to be the 5. You need to cut that to the top. And the easiest way to do that is you just very, very cleanly take 2 cards into your right hand and show very cleanly that these are just 4 cards, and then just place these 2 cards underneath the cards in your left hand, and that then leaves your 5 on top for the final reveal. The last one, you say, I don't even want to touch this. We're going to place these black cards on top of the 5. You can actually get them to place their finger on top. You don't go anywhere near it. You just snap like so, and you can have them turn over the card, make it even stronger, and the 5 jumps through why their finger's been on top the whole time. And it's a really lovely way to finish that. Just gives it an extra little kick at the end. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. If you're interested in learning magic in the easiest way possible, then check out my magic course. I'm going to pop a link to that in the description below. It is 4 hours long, it's over 70 lessons, and it's the easiest and best way for you guys to learn magic. Once again, thanks for watching. It's been awesome hanging out with you, and I'll see you soon in the next video.